Well, time to wire up some more signals. Got this one here first. I've got these wires here coming out the bottom of it. Red's for red, yellow's for the yellow signal, and the black is a negative common. I will be wiring them into this board here. It's just a basic accessory decoder, a bit of a Frankenstein model. Bought the board from a guy from eBay, and the softwares I'm using is a Mardek. So, with my trusty drill, it's got a hook and there. Put the 3 wires into the vise. Tie a knot. Into there. I've got to go away and twist them. So with the wires there, I need to put in a 1K resistor. It's 12 volts from the board here. LEDs don't like 12 volts, so 1K is more than ample to take it down. This board has got the added function that you can dim it as well, so you don't have to worry about the light being too bright or not bright enough. You can change the brightness of the LED using the board. The software for the board, I should say. So, 1K resistor, brown, black, or red. If you're not sure yet, just use your meter. It comes up there as 995.8 ohms. Round it up, 1K. So, I'll attach these resistors onto the wires now. So, let's get in the wires first. I'll give a heat shrink at the top of them, and then I'll put in a dew point connector. So, got the female side done. Just need to do the same on the signal side, and that's us done for it. Quite neat, I think. So you can get a satisfying click when these go in. Don't click, they're not in. A bit hard to get one in, so we squeeze with pliers again. Just to end it. So you can pull it through. There you are. And last but not least, the yellow one. No problem. So that's him. And I just like the beauty heat shrink to tidy it up a little touch. As you're underneath the board there with your torch, you watch out what you're doing, but don't burn yourself or burn the house down. I've left the pin in here indicating the red one, just a little reminder. Just got them round it the right way. Plugs in flat, a little bit of insulating tape over the top end of it, wrap it round. So, you feed the wire through the layout up to the board. So over to the computer now. I'm going to program the board in with Dcc. It's a new version that's available from our chaps over in Holland. So I'll plug the computer into it and I'll start programming the board. And there we are, folks. We've set it all to steady state on or off all 16 ports, starting from address number 21 right through to address 36. So now it's need to program in the ECOS to match. The first one there, I call it address 21. Address 21, I put it down as a signal. It doesn't matter about duration, and we'll call it Mardec 2. And in there we'll call it port 1. So Mardec 2, address 21. Done. Okay, so I've got the voltmeter set up, port number 1. And we'll just give it a try, so I switch it on. We get just under 12 volts there, switch it off, it goes back to 0. Quite strange how it's wired up. Port 1 is actually this side here, port 2 is that side. So I just need to remember that when I put it in. I maybe actually number the board so I can remember myself how to do it. So once that's set up, just need to put it into the layout and wire in the signals. So I've got the board down, putting our PC board on it. I just get a slot in, like so. Put a wee cable tie here, just get the cables out of the way. Quite nice. So the board's on now. I just need to take the power from a 12 volt supply into here, take off the track detection DCC and put it in there as well. Once I've got them two in, I can then put in the wires for the signals. So the power's on, which is always a good sign. So we'll take the camera off the tripod and we'll put the camera up next to the lay-by, next to the layout, and see if we've got any good lights up there. Okay, so the first one I put on is the red one. On this signal it's the bottom one for some reason, don't ask me why. Turn that off and we put on the yellow, which is the top one, and it works. So, I can't just put both signals on at one time, which may be a bit confusing to some drivers, a red and a yellow one. Well folks, it's been an enjoyable 6 hours or so building this up. Thanks for watching, stay safe, bye.